guys, how are you doing? We are here with 4 keys Locksmith. We're gonna make a duplicate for an Audi A5 2013. So we're gonna start the process. The customer has the key, but he lost the other one. So we're here to making the progress. So this is the first key of the client. It is working. So you see it is unlocking and locking the door. Everything is fine with that one. So we're gonna start to do the duplicate right now. So right here, it is the other key that we have for the customer. It is the Audi key aftermarket, so it is the same key that you're looking for. So if you come over here, so we're gonna start the process reading the IMO data for the car. I'm gonna press here to read the IMO data. We put the old key for the customer here. We turn it on the dash. We press OK. Takes time, the communication, so it is fine. This is one of the keys. So right here is the first key of the customer. So now we're gonna take it out that one. How you see it is locking and unlocking. It's unlocking. So now this is the second one. So we put it here into this lock. The dash comes up. We press the brake, and how you see everything is working fine. Now we take it out the key. We press the unlock it button. You see it is working. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good night.